Okay, son, now what is happening to Samke is totally unfair, guys. She doesn't deserve what is going on right now to her, guys. Or Samke, she's still young. She can easily be manipulated by Musam Saleko, guys. Remember, the age gap between Musam Saleko and Samke, guys, it is more than 22 years old. So you understand what is going on here. So anyway, guys, let's get to start today. You know, the rest of the house is Samani Peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Let's get to start of today, guys. We all know a situation here. Almost I'm so like I had said so many times for people, for him and his people to Kenjun paying a bride price the wives they need to fully accept Osamke, guys. If the wives they don't accept Osamke, nothing will happen. So guys, we are only left with the 2 episode Uthando season 9. So we see Musamsalaka having a conversation. No Samke, guys, almost Musamsalaka he's saying the family want to build is threatened by the presence of children. Since you are able to make more babies, let's make more babies, guys. Imagine being told since when you are watching Zingane, since Zingane, while you are waiting, and it seems like Samke she doesn't see any problem, guys. She's willing to make more babies no Musamseleko while waiting for Makhumalo, Mayeni and Mangwabe to accept her. We know that Umatele she doesn't have a problem no Samke, guys, and people are saying Samke, you are still young, you can just walk away. There's no need for you to stay with this man. Guys, there are a lot of young ladies that have crushed on Musamseleko. They see Musamseleko as this hero, guys, you know. So Usamke maybe na une crush no Musamseleko. While we were all watching Uthando Nesithembu, Usamke and I was like, one day I want to be wife number 5, you know. You never know, guys. Like Usamke, she's in love, guys. You can see indoda I am my man umfana, you know what I mean, guys. You know, Usamke, she's just think she's 24 or 23, I'm not sure, guys. And people are saying you know, at that age now, if you are 35 right now, you cannot accept Samke to think like you. When you're mature now, you are old, you can see right and wrong, but Samke needs someone who's old, mature on her side to explain to her, say this is the life that you want. You're still young, you can walk away. It was also alleged to Samke she's pregnant for her second baby, guys. Now Musamseleko has turned Samke into baby machine. So people are saying your sana le show needs to end. We are tired, we are crying, because a lot of people get triggered, guys, by turning the same. As much as we watch the show, look at Samke. She now remind you of your husband's side chick. You hate her. You don't really hate Sam. You just hate because you look at her as if we side chick your husband. Yeah, cool, guys. The people get triggered by this show. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about it. Say, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment.